Hey, and welcome to our new PowerPoint course. In this course, you will learn how to create promotional video for your business. We will show you step by step how to design professional and eye-catching PowerPoint slides, how to add animation and transitions that are non-standard to PowerPoint, how to add background music and set configuration for it, and how to take all of this and produce HD quality promo video.
I highly recommend choosing Natalia for any of your business artwork.
You've seen what you get, so let's get started. Register to our course and see you in the next lessons.